Good morning, student. Today I'm going to explain you division with 3-digit divisor. So from your exercise 5C, I have taken one question. It is J part. In this question, dividend is 54,396 and divisor is containing 3 digit and it is 332. How we will divide it? Firstly, we will make our division 54,396. We will write the divisor outside. We don't know the table of 332. So what is the trick here? Firstly, from divisor take one digit and from dividend also take one digit and divide these two. Check in the table of 3 where comes 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2s are become bigger. So it means table goes on 1. So we get the idea that 332 we will multiply by 1. So in a rough area we will multiply 332 by 1. We get the same number. ये आपका डिवाइजर हो गया एंड डिवाइजर में हेयर 3 डिजिट था सो फ्रॉम डिविडेंड आल्सो वी हैव टेकन 3 डिजिट we write this number product 332 under the number 332 and our quotient is 1 that we will write above the last digit here. Next step is subtraction 3 minus 2 1 4 minus 3 1 5 minus 3 2. The number left is 211 and it is less than 332. So our next step is we will bring down the next number. Again we will check with the first divisor first digit. Here 2 is small so we will check up to 21. In the table of 3 where comes 21? 3 sevens are 21. So we will check our table 332 we will multiply by 7. We will multiply it by 7 to get the idea of the number less than 2119. So 332 we will check 3 sevens are 21 तो 7 से check कर लेते हैं 7 twos are 14 1 goes as a carry 7 threes are 21 and 1 20 22 2 will be here 2 goes as a carry 7 threes are 21 and 2 23 it become 2321 but ये तो हमारा number 2119 है so our table will not go on 7s. One step we have to come back so table we will check with 6. Now check 6 twos are 12 1 goes as a carry 6 threes are 18 and 1 19 1 goes as carry 6 threes are 18 and 1 19 yes 1992 it is smaller than 2119 so our right quotient is 6 we will write at the top of 9 the last digit which we bring down this is 9 so our quotient will go above that number so now we will subtract 9 minus 2 it is 7 1 is small we will borrow from here 11 minus 9 it is 2 it has borrowed from here so now it become 10 10 minus 9 it is 1 and 1 minus 1 0 now we will bring down the next number last digit it is 6 again we will check firstly we will get the idea of our division we will read the table of 3 near about 12 because 1 small hai that's why we will check it up to 12 3 4s are 12 so we get the nearest idea that 332 we can multiply by 4 the table goes on 4s are 3 4s are 12 so check कर लीजिए 332 you will multiply by 4 what is the product here 4 2s are 8 4 3s are 12 2 here 1 goes as a carry 4 3s are 12 and 1 13 again it become greater than this 1300 here is 1200 so table will not go on 4s are so now we will check one step back we will go and we will check it by 3 3 2s are 6 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 yes now our quotient is 3 that we will write above 6 and our product is 996 we will start writing from the right side 699 you should take care that you will not start writing any digit from the left hand side now we will subtract it 6 minus 6 0 7 small hai we will borrow from 12 it become 11 here, and here it becomes 17. 17 minus 9, it is 8. 11 minus 9, it is 2, and here remains 0. Now 280, no digit here to bring down, so this become our remainder. And this is your answer, quotient. So you can write that when we divide 54,396 by 332, we got the answer 163. And what is your quotient? Quotient is 280. So you will write your answer here. Your quotient is 163. Your remainder is 280. If you want to verify or check your division, then divisor multiply by quotient. 332 you will multiply by 163 and then add the remainder in this. If it becomes equal to 54,396, that means your division is right. So in this way you can verify your division also. So I think you are capable to do next part with on your own. So now I am going to explain you question number 2. Find the dividend by using given formula. This formula you know very well. It is the formula to verify your division. Dividend should be equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So in previous exercise and in this exercise also, dividend was given, divisor was given, and then quotient and remainder we are finding. But in question 2 what happened? Already your solution is given. Divisor given hai, quotient given hai, remainder given hai. Only you have to find out the dividend. Means आपको सिर्फ verify करना है. So how will you find out the dividend? These two you will multiply, divisor and quotient you will multiply, and then you will add the remainder. You will get the dividend. So I am going to explain you A part. Divisor. See the question. What is given in the question? Divisor is given. What is divisor? Divisor is here 125. Next thing, quotient is given. Answer of the division is given. Quotient is again 125. Next thing, what is given here? Remainder. Remainder is the digit which left after the division and it is 0. What we have to find out, और हमें इसमें find out क्या करना है? It is not given, we have to find out the dividend. How we will find out? Dividend का formula है dividend is equal to, means dividend we can find out by when we multiply divisor divis. So divisor we will multiply by quotient plus remainder. REMAINDER. It means in divisor को when you will multiply by quotient and you add the remainder, you get your dividend. So put the values. Divisor given here, divisor is 125. Multiply by quotient, quotient is also 125. What is remainder? Remainder is 0. Firstly you will multiply divisor and quotient. 125 you will multiply by 125. 5 5s are 25, 2 goes as a carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 1 goes as a carry. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. 125 its expanded form is 100 plus 20 plus 5. So firstly we have done the multiplication with 5. Now we will multiply with 20. So at ones place we will put 0. And we will erase our first previous carry to avoid the confusion. So now we will multiply with 20. So at ones place I put 0 and start multiplication with 2. 2 5s are 10. 0 is here. 1 goes as a carry. Now 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 1s are 2. Now 20 multiplication is also over. Now we will multiply by 100. For multiplying by this 100, ones place we will put 0, 10 place also we will put 0, and we will start multiplication by 100. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 ones are 1, and now we will add it. 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 5 10 plus 6 16, 1 goes as a carry, 2 2 4 and 1 5, 1 as it is. So it becomes 15,625. So after this calculation, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, you get the answer 15,625, and this is your dividend. आपको पता लग गया आपका डिविडेंड क्या है? It is 15,625. So at the end you can write your answer. Dividend is equal to 15,625. This is your answer. Once again I am going to explain you. In this question, में आपको divisor is given, ये डिवाइजर गिवन है, कोशेंट गिवन है, एंड दिस रिमाइंडर गिवन है. दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर गिवन. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिविडेंड. कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? दीज टू यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई बाय कोशेंट एंड प्लस रिमाइंडर. देन यू आर एबल टू फाइंड आउट योर डिविडेंड. बाय दिस फॉर्मूला डिविडेंड आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. डिवाइजर गिवन है, जो चीज़ गिवन है यू विल पुट देयर वैल्यूज, multiply it and add the remainder. Clear? I think these are clear to you. One more question I am going to explain. B part. Divisor is 428. Quotient is 228. Remainder is 127. आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिविडेंड. सो firstly you will write the formula, and this formula is already given in your question. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Formula is already given in your question, so but only आपको this you have to find out. And divisor given है 428. You will write here multiply by quotient. Quotient is 228. Remainder plus remainder 127. So firstly we will multiply divisor and quotient. 428 you will multiply by 228. Expanded form of 228 is 200 plus 20 plus 8. So firstly we will multiply by 8. Read the table of 8. Up to 8 is 8. 8 is 64. 4 we will write here, and 6 goes as a carry on the tens place. Now 8 का table 10 2 तक. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 22. 2 goes as a carry. 8 4 is 32 plus 2 34. Now our multiplication of 8 is over. Now we will erase this carry also. Now we have to multiply by 20. So ones place you will put 0 and start multiplication by 2. This is tens place. 2 8 is 16. 6 here. 1 goes as a carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 4s are 8. Now 20, its multiplication is also over. Now we have to multiply by 200 by this. So at 1 place 0, 10 place also 0, and start multiplication. 2 8 is 16, 6 here. New carry I will write here, 1 carry. 2 8 is 16, 6 here, 1 goes as a carry. Now 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 4s are 8. आप इसको ऐड करेंगे. 4 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 5 11 and 4 15. 1 goes as a carry. 8 5 13 plus 3 16 and 1 17. 1 goes as a carry. 8 and 1 9. Now in this we have to add remainder also. Remainder is 8. I added here 8 also. 8 plus 4 12. 1 goes carry, it become 9, rest same. So what is your dividend here? 97,592. So what you get as a remainder? Oh, sorry, dividend. It become 97,000. We have done some mistake here. 420 when we multiply by this. 8 8 just 64. 1 goes as a carry. 8 2 just 16 and 1 17. It was 7 here. In the first step it is 7. 8 2 just 16, 1 17. So 1 goes as a carry. 8 4 is 32 and 1 it become 33. So in first step there was some mistake. I am going to rectify this. 8 8 is 64. 6 goes as a carry. 8 2 just 16 plus 6 it is 22. 2 goes as a carry. 8 4 is 32 and 2 it is 34. Now second step में 2 8 just 16. 1 goes as a carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 4 2s are 8. This is correct. This one also correct. Now multiplication with 2. 2 8 just 16. 1 goes as a carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 4s are 8. Now last step is addition. 4. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 9 and 6 15. 1 goes as a carry. 8 plus 5 13 and 3 16 and 1 17. 1 goes as a carry. 8 and 1 9. Yeah, this is right. And the last remainder was not 8, remainder was here 127. This mistake we have done here in the last step. Here we have to add 127 was the remainder. So 127 we will add in this. It will be 7 plus 4 11. 1 goes as a carry. 8 plus 2 10 and 1 11. 1 goes carry. 5 6 and 1 7 7. So our answer is 97,711. So what is our dividend? 97,711. So in this way you can solve your question by formula is already given in the question. Only you have to put the values, do the multiplication and add the remainder in the question. Okay. So here are only 3 parts in your exercise A, B and C. 2 I have explained for you. Only C part left. So your today's homework is you have to do this question 2 in your book. And now I am going to explain question 3 also. So question 2 and 3 both are your homework sum. Question 3 is divide the greatest 5-digit number by the greatest 2-digit number. It is very easy. Greatest 5-digit number means, it is question 3. What is the greatest 5-digit number? You can write here. Greatest 5-digit number. It is 5 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will insert comma and now you can read it 99,995. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999, and we have to divide it by greatest 2-digit number. What is greatest 2-digit number here? In 1-digit greatest number is single 9. 2-digit greatest number is 2 times 9 means it is 99. So now we can make our division. 99,999 you have to divide by 99. So it is very easy to divide. Make your division. In divisor there are 2 digits. So firstly we will check with first digit, and from dividend also we will check first digit. We will check in the table of 9 where comes 9. So it is coming, it comes on ones na. Ones पर आ रहा है. So 99 multiplied by 1. Same number. So your quotient is 1 and product is 99. Now subtract it. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. Now you will bring down the next number 9. But 9 is smaller than 99. So table will not go on 1. Table will go on zeros. 99 zeros are 0, because if the table goes on 1, so the number become 99. So 9 is smaller, 99 become big, so table will not go on 1, it will go on 0. So you will write here 0 above the number which you bring down. जो number अभी नीचे लेके आए उसके ऊपर you will write 0, and 99 zeros are 0. Product में क्या होगा? Product is also 0 here. Now subtract 9 minus 0, it is 9. Bring down next number, it is 99. Here also 99, so table goes on, 9 ones are 9. 99 we will multiply by same number, so table goes on 1. And here product is 99. You will subtract it, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. Again bring down next number. Same case as like this again. Here is 9 but divisor is 99, so table will not go on 1. 1 पर तो 99 आएगा, so table goes again on 0. So quotient will become 0. Product will also become 0. 99 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. So this 9 minus 0, it is 9. So this 9 become your remainder and 1010 become your quotient. So your answer is, divide the greatest 5-digit number by greatest 2-digit number. Your answer will be, you can write the answer. Quotient is, when we divide greatest 5-digit number by greatest 2-digit number, we get the answer 1010 and remainder is 9. Remainder here is 9. If you want to check the answer whether it is right or wrong, तो आप कैसे चेक करेंगे? To verify your answer, you will multiply divisor by quotient plus remainder. So divisor है 99, quotient है 1010, remainder is 9. Multiply these two and then add 9. If it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 9, means if it becomes 99,999, then your answer is right. Okay. So question 1 you have already done. Question 2 and 3 I have explained, students. So this is your homework. I hope that you all are capable to do these division questions. So this is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day. Try to do these sums.